Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Bybit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to enable autoplay YouTube. How to turn on autoplay on YouTube. I will show you how to do it. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Okay, so to turn on autoplay the same video on YouTube, you need choose a video which you want, and now you click right button. And here you have option like loop, and will allow you to have autoplay, and when you will be watch, you will see that it is again repeat and repeat in infinity time. Okay, and that's the way to do it. So you make like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, bye bye, and see you next time.